guys, in today's video we'll be showing you how to turn on history on your account on the general settings on your account on Rednote, easy and quickly. So first of all, you have to enter the application. Wait a second. So now you are on the home section, so click on this three lines here and go to the settings, and then here you will find this general settings. Click on it. So as you see here, you will find the history. Just click like this and it will be turned on successfully. So that's how to turn on history on your general settings, easy and quickly. So when enabled, we won't save your browsing history. So as you see, be careful if you wanna turn it off. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.